In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove guest attendees from an event in your Google Calendar. This is a helpful skill to have, especially when managing events or meetings, and you need to adjust the invite list. Let's walk through this process together. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Google Calendar website. Simply type Google Calendar into your search engine and select the first result that appears. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the Google Calendar homepage. Once there, you'll need to sign into your Google account if you aren't already logged in. Go ahead and enter your email address, then click the Next button when prompted. Follow that up by entering your password, and once again, click Next to complete the sign-in process. Now that you're logged in and on the Google Calendar main page, find the event from which you wish to remove guest attendees. Click on this event to open the event details. You'll see various options, but what you're looking for is the Edit button. Click on this Edit button to access the more detailed event settings. Here, you'll find a list of all the invited guests under the Guests section. Scroll through to find the guest you want to remove. Next to their name, there's a small X. Click on this X, and the guest will be removed from the event list. This simple click helps keep your event organized and ensures that the invitation is adjusted according to your preferences. After you have made these changes, it's essential to save them to ensure everything is updated. So locate and click on the Save button, which you'll find towards the top right corner of your screen. Once you click Save, a prompt will appear asking if you want to send notifications about this change to the remaining attendees. In this case, since you are only removing a guest, you would likely not want to send an update to everyone. Click on Don't Add. This will complete the process without notifying the entire guest list of this minor change. There you have it. You've successfully removed a guest from your Google Calendar event with just a few clicks. This is incredibly handy for maintaining accurate and updated invites without causing unnecessary confusion among your attendees. Stay organized and keep your calendar neat by regularly managing your event attendees. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial, and I hope you found this guide helpful. As always, feel free to subscribe and leave questions or comments below if there's anything else you'd like to learn.